Hello friend, welcome to the channel. In today's guide, I will show you how to fix mic not working on Discord. Let's get started. First, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen and make sure you haven't accidentally turned off your microphone. And if your headset has a mic toggle button, check that you haven't accidentally moved it head there. Next, click on the settings toggle icon, then scroll down to the left sidebar until you see app settings. From there, select voice and video. Now go to the input device section. Don't leave this on default, it sometimes selects the wrong microphone and won't work properly. So manually choose the microphone you want to use and make sure the input volume is turned all the way up. Once you have done that, test your microphone right below to see if it's working. If it is, great. If not, let's move on. Now take a look at the input profile section. I would recommend leaving it on voice isolation. But if you'd rather use to push to talk, make sure you have the current keybind set to work properly. Now scroll back to the top page and check if the green bar appears. If it does, your microphone is now working currently. If you still doesn't work, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. There you will find an option called reset voice settings, which lets you reset your voice settings. You could try this reset option right away, but before doing that, I would recommend that right clicking on the sound icon in the bottom left corner of your screen and opening the volume mixer. Here, just like on Discord, go to the input device section and computer, make sure it's set to correct microphone, and then scroll back to test and microphone again. If it is still not working at this point, I would recommend swapping out your microphone to check it if it's hardware issue, or you could try the reset settings option at the bottom as well. If this guide was helpful, giving a like, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.